Hey guys, this is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. Hello. So, for the Fall Paper Pads Unite, I'm doing this personal challenge with Beth and Lori. And we're trying to come up with projects that we can do using a certain collection. So, I changed my mind from my previous video. I isolated that I wanted to use that paper pad from Michaels. I still did projects on that, and I'm gonna put that in a future video. But this fall farmhouse collection, and this is from Simple Stories, the collector's essential kit I got from Amazon. I just fell in love with this and immediately started working on this. So this has washi, this has this chipboard. How amazing are these colors, bits and pieces, which is their ephemera. And then it has a 12 by 12 cardstock stickers, which is amazing, and gorgeous paper. I just want to show you guys some of the papers that are in this collection kit. Just gorgeous. They have cut aparts as well. I wasn't able to show you the entire thing because once I got it, I started cutting it up. So it's no longer big sheets of paper. But that's what the challenge is about. So let me show you what I have left. So these are what I've done so far. So the first thing that I did is this 4x4 album. Let me move you a little bit further away. So here, sorry about my bread, put that aside. Okay, this is like a 4x4 mini album. This is the box. I just used a cut apart and put it on foam dots, very thin foam dots from the Dollar Tree, and added some chipboard from the collection. And this is it. I used like a craft paper. I thought it turned out so cute. I used a craft paper that I got from Tuesday Morning, and this is what it looks like. So it's a simple accordion mini album, but it has a lot of pages, as you can see. Sorry about that noise, my son is playing soccer in the garage. But let me show you the pages. Let's open the pages up together. So as you can see, I used a lot of stickers. I used a lot of the cut aparts, and they're absolutely gorgeous. If you're visiting a pumpkin patch this fall season, it would be a nice album to highlight your adventures, I think. So there. Some cut aparts, and the stickers are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. And then the back side is, since it's an accordion, both sides work. So cute. And the box is perfect. Let me know down below if you want me to create a tutorial for you. I think I used 2 or 3 sheets of 8x11 paper. So it's supposed to close like this, and this is what it looks like, and this is how big it is. This would be a perfect gift, I think. And then this fits perfectly in this box, and then it closes just like so. I thought that was very cute. I still have a lot of ephemera left over, so yes, I'm gonna use that. This is another cut apart 3x4. I just love it. It's so cute. I love the combination of the wood and the poster. So same. And this is where I put leftovers, like the tape. I made my favorite bows. You know, I thought you can add this anywhere. And then some chipboard that fell off chipboard stickers that fell off from this collection. I still have leftover. I try to hoard these. When it comes to the rest of the papers, this is what I did. Let me see. I made like a traveler's notebook type. This is the front page. This is another card cut apart. Let me know if you want a tutorial on this one. So I made 3 signatures, and as usual I used my long arm stapler for this. And this notebook or traveler's notebook is 8 by 8, folded it in half, and then I just layered it with foam tape right there. And I thought it's super precious and totally matches every single color. I just used printing paper. So 10 sheets of that. I think 8 sheets for the rest. So, and then I have yet to laminate the cover, but I really wanted to share this video hoping that it would inspire you guys. So these are some leftover cut aparts that I have that I will be using for Project Life. And then this one, we went to Bishop's Pumpkin Patch maybe last week. So I'm going to be putting the pictures right there. I'm going to put a closure, and that's going to be my 2009 fall album. And then I have some leftover pieces that, yes, I'm going to be just using all these for the fall album, and some Project Life stuff. And then this one, I really made sure that I didn't use a lot of this because I love it so very much. So I intentionally didn't use that because anything wood grain and brown is my jam. And this is what's left with a cut apart. So yes, I hope that those projects inspired you to use your paper stash. Let me know down below if you have any questions. I hope you like my project share. And this is for Fall Paper Pads Unite, hashtag by Bourbon Crafts and Ode to Paper. So this is what we have, and we have some stuff left over, which is super awesome because I want to be able to decorate my traveler's notebook for 2019. Okay guys, keep on crafting. Have a crafty day. Bye bye. This is Christian signing off. See you later.